Once we've made the base soup, we can adapt it into 3 different recipes. Enjoy! Okay, so here's our ingredients for our base soup, and this soup is totally vegan, and then we can add stuff when we look at the 3 adaptations later. So what I'm using here is a classic mirepoix ingredients as a base: some onions, some carrots, some celery. We're using some vegan stock powder here. Use either a shop-bought vegan powder or your own veggie stock, or maybe you've got your own powder that you make from scraps of veggies, which is what I'll be doing later on with these leek scraps. Some olive oil to keep it vegan. I like rosemary as a herb in leek and potato soup, so I'm using some rosemary here from the garden. Then I've prepared a batch of my leeks from the garden here, and then some potatoes. And I'm using a mix of white potatoes here and this slightly shriveled sweet potato. I'll cut the end off that. Brilliant for soups if you've got any veggies that are on their way out. So this is our ingredients for the base soup. We'll be adding water as we go along. So let's get the base soup made. and I'm going to enjoy those later today.